Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds LG TONE Free. So to call it, firstly we need to add this feature to the gesture, because by default you cannot use your voice assistant. To do this, you need to open LG TONE Free application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then scroll down, you need to find touch function, and firstly it should be of course turn on, so click at the slider near to it and then go to detailed settings. Now you can add to call voice assistant for the single press, double press or triple press. Decide which one you want to use. I'm going to use single press, and then decide you want to use the left or right earbud to call it. I'm going to use the left earbud. Now tap at the button and select voice command. And you need to confirm, so click at the confirm button to save it. And now, as you can see, we just changed it. The touch area located at the back side of your earbuds. Right here we have a dot at the top, and this is the touch area. First I need to put it to my ear, and now I press one time on it. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!